charger, so I'll see you after school.
In your dreams. See you.
My parents aren't home. If you want to go inside.
Come on, Belinda. Nothing's changed.
I know, I just thought.
It's over.
Yeah, whatever.
I had no idea this was under your conduct.
Please, stop it!
Stay out of this! We're through.
That's late.
We're through forever.
You okay?
You made a mistake, Landon. Hey, you're a little chicken shit.
Maybe I'm sorry, okay? Dear animals, alright? You want me to take you home? Let's get out of here. What are you gonna do?
Sick.
I'll take you home. You'll be better.
No, Landon. I'm sick. I have leukemia.
No, you're 80. You're perfect.
No. No. I found out 2 years ago. I've stopped responding to treatment.
So why didn't you tell me?
The doctor said I should go on and live life normally as best as I could. I didn't want anybody to be weird around me.
Including me?
Especially you. You know I was getting along with everything fine. I accepted it, and then you happened. I do not need any reason to be angry with God.
Love is always patient. It is never jealous. No conceited. There is no rude or selfish. Love takes no pleasure and evil delights. And the truth, it is always ready to excuse and hope and to endure whenever it comes.
I vow to make you happy, to make you laugh, to cherish you, and to always be there for you.
I vow to always protect you from harm, to stand to you against your troubles, and to look to you when I need your protection. Without you, I am nothing. With you, I am more than myself.
I, Elizabeth Jamie Sullivan, take Landon Carter as my beloved husband.
I, Landon Carter, take Elizabeth Jamie Sullivan as my beloved wife.
And you may now kiss the bride.
Hi, how are you feeling?
I'm okay. Are you? I have something for you.
You do?
Don't worry. It's not a Bible. It's my mother's book, got by famous people.
Okay, let's check it.
Maybe God has a bigger plan for me than I have for myself. myself. Like this journey never ends, like He sent you to me.
Love is always patient. It is never jealous. No conceited. There's no rude or selfish.
You're my angel.
Come in. Sit down.
Hey Landon,
Hey,
you look good.
thank you.
You're back. What's new?
Well, I got in medical school.
Your mother told me that they are so proud of you. Maybe one is proud of you too.
Listen, I want you to have this.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry, she never got ang akin.
She did. It was you.